Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our August stamp and colour kit. It's called Flying By, which is inspired by this gorgeous photopolymer stamp here full of all the birds. So that is included in the kit. You also get a die, so this is our Uniquely Creative die, it's our birdcage die, which is a really cool die. And of course you have got the little magazine, the little inspiration booklet which is included in this kit, full of gorgeous little card ideas here. And there's lots of different things. So Jo's coloured in this beautiful card with one of the add-on stamps, and she's listed here what she's used. So you can see she's used Derwent watercolour pencils on this one. She's listed the colour she's used. Also the card size, the papers and things she's used, and then of course all the extra products. So that is included in your kit. Loads and loads of ideas. We also have lots of cute ideas on our website coming up this month. Starting from this month, we're going to have lots of sweet little ideas on our blog. And of course, if you jump over to our YouTube page, you will see some tutorials. So we've got some cute tutorials coming out from the team. And we've got one of our new girls, Jenny. Jenny's joined us for this month. She started just a wee bit early for us. So lots of super cute ideas. We also do two other stamps and two other dies every month that coordinate with this kit, and this is one of the dies. Let me quickly show you that now because this page is really cute. So this is called our, what is it called? It's called the Round Branch Window, and I love this die. And you can see Kasha's given you a little examples in the back of the book how you can use it. You can turn the tree around, you can just cut out the circle, you can put our little six stitch window die behind it. So that is just one of the add-ons. So that is our little book that comes in the kit. We've got some black card and envelopes this month which make really striking cards, a sheet of adhesive cork, not cork, sorry, this is adhesive bark. I'm so sorry guys, I'm super sick. I've come in today to do this video. Kasha and I have both been sick all week. This is the Copic cardstock we include in the kit, and this is the adhesive cork. There is also beautiful pattern papers of these, are double-sided papers like they are every month, and Kasha's done a great job designing these in these beautiful earthy Australian tones. We just love this collection because it's Australiana. We are an Australian company after all. We've got some cardstock, some orange, some purple and some red, and this is just a little sheet in the back of the bag to give you some ideas. Let's quickly take a look at the add-ons this month, and of course we give you those ideas in the book. So we've already taken a look at the window die. This is our little fences die. This is sweet. These guys all line up to make a cute little fence. I'm going to do a separate video when I'm feeling a bit better on all of our dies and how you can best use them, but that's the little fences die. This is our little G'day Mate stamp. These cute little koalas, they're so adorable, love them. And then this is our beautiful, I don't even know what it's called and it's not on there. Hey, this is, I think it's called eucalyptus stamp. So this is super cute as well. Love this one, and that's a little protea and wattle and just everything Australian. So that is really cute. So let's take a quick look at some of the cards. I obviously don't have all of the DT's cards here because they're all over the world, but these are just some of the gorgeous little ideas that the girls have given you. Kasha's done that one. And this little super cute monochromatic one with just a little pop of colour, I just love it. It's just beautiful. This is the little that round window one I was telling you about with a cute little bird on it just flying by to say hello. There's a little koala. You're a koala tea friend. And there's that little fences die behind there. Another little koala one with the branches die. I love that branches die. Let me tell you all about that another day. Fair dinkum, mate. Isn't that cute? I so love it. Now, this little one here is done by Nell. She's on our design team, and she's actually hand-drawn that little hat and that little jacket on that koala. Isn't she clever? I'd love to see you guys try that. Just a little bit of masking. So cute. And look at the kookaburra. I just love it. Another little sweet one by Mel. I just love seeing this protea coloured. Even though I know it's from South Africa, it is very synonymous with Australia as well. And this is that adhesive bark that we've given you. Isn't it cute? Love it. It's bamboo. Alrighty, that's the kit. So sorry about all of my muddled words today. I'm still super sick. You can jump over to our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. You can pre-order this amazing kit and it will be sent out and shipping from the 20th. We will see you guys at Paperific because I need to get better so we can get packing for that. Thanks guys, bye.